Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in the additional, not the additional, the puzzle page. The puzzle page of today's newspaper on Saturday, April the 29th, 2023. We have two puzzles to go. Yeah, the tectonic and the binary. It's binary time, and this will be number 6355. Yeah, 6355. And before I start, I always count and print the digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Alright. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes in O. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Let me think. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, between two O's comes in 1. Now I need to think. Alright. Time to think. We have here, I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, and fifth O. So that box should be a 1 then. Alright. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Alright. Then I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1 then. Yeah. Need to think. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and fifth one. That box should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
What?
Yeah. Let me think. We almost finished. We almost finished. Let me think. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Need to wait. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. Where's the opening? The opening. Come on. We have 1, 2 completed rows. And no columns. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also need an O and a 1 there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, the fifth O, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, the fifth one, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1. There should be an O. Between two O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes in O. Between two O's comes in 1. Here we have 4 ones in this row. If I place number 5 there, the fifth one, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this is going to be 1. There should be no. Alright, between two O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this second row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Between two O's comes in 1. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is number, no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Okay. Completed. Double O. Here one, there one. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O. Here one, there one. Double O. Here one, there one. Double 1. Here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Alright. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest, no. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, and this is number 5. 5 ones. Okay. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Completed in 7 minutes. Well, 7 minutes. Without comparing. I like this one, yes. I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a moment with the last puzzle, the tectonic. Until then, bye bye for now.